Replacement of your headlight switch is one of the quickest and easiest jobs you can do on your Cayenne. Begin by making sure the vehicle is powered down. Use a trim removal tool and remove the surround around the switch. It will just unclip from the switch and dash area. With the switch in the off position, press lightly in on the switch knob and turn it counterclockwise. The switch will only turn about 1/8 of a turn, and this will release it from its mount. Now just remove the switch from the dash. Separate the wiring connection on the rear. Installation is the reverse of removal. Some people have had to reprogram when installing a new switch, and some have not. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.